Welcome, everyone. Here are 10 lines on teacher for Community Helper Day at school. Good morning, everyone. My name is Ted, and I am a teacher. I love to teach children every day. I teach children how to read and write. I also teach good manners and discipline. I help children learn new things every day. I check their homework and classwork. I make learning fun with stories and games. I love and care for all my students. A teacher shapes the future of our nation. I feel proud to be a teacher. Thank you. Keep learning and growing. Subscribe for more kids' speeches.